Hi everyone, it's me, Greg. Welcome to Greg Crochets. Got me a new hat going on here today, fresh off the hook. It's a little slouchy hat that I just finished making, and I used it, made it using an eye hook, which is my favorite size hook, and I just used some scrap yarn and take it off, and you can see my nasty looking hair. It's all different types of fibers and obviously some different colors. And I just grabbed yarn out of the basket freehand and just tied it on as I went. Once I ran out of a ball of yarn, I just tied on. So you can see like this little bit of yellow. It just was one itty bitty bit. And then I was tied on the next skein and kept on going until I got the size hat that I wanted. And the brown at the end, that's literally the entire skein of brown. That's all I had left of that brown. So I used it to make the end. So that's what I made today. I'm also still working on my Afghan with the puff stitch grannies. Not puff stitch, excuse me, popcorn stitch grannies. And it's popcorn stitch for two rounds, and then solid for 3 rounds. And I've got 12 squares made so far. I need 60 more. It's going to be 72 total squares. And they're going to be crocheted together using a single crochet. Those crochet them together, which will put a ridge across the top. And I'll be doing that in white, and then I'll border the whole thing in white. And I really think it's going to look nice. And again, I'm using scrap yarns for that. The only, I might have to end up buying some more white because I don't think I have enough white. I'm not sure yet. But it's all scraps. And then I started another granny square blanket using scrap yarns. And this one, I'm using scraps of self-striping yarn. The same basic kind of yarn that I used to make, I can't find the hat that I had in mind. Oh well, one of my mesh hats. A friend of mine gave me a bunch of balls of self-striping yarn. And you can see that it just does this. It'll do this little bit of stripe and then a lot of that, and that's one of the skeins. It was doing that bit, and then another one. You really can't see the color changes too well on the camera. You can see the shade of blue here, and then it goes into purple. Same thing here, purple and blue. That one's really not changing that much. And this one didn't change at all. But those are self-striping yarns, and I need 100. I have 8 of these, and I need 108 of these, and I'm going to border them all with black and put them together randomly, and there's going to be 108 of those, and it's going to make a lap robe. So that's what I'm working on there. Another quick little thing is I'm going to start trying to post every other day, maybe every day. I'm not sure yet. So that's going to be a change here. And I'll be talking about random things every so often. So it's not going to be just crochet. I might talk about some random things if you're interested in those random things. Also, I have a few more of my mesh hats. You remember my mesh hats. I have a few more of those on the hook. So I'll be bringing those up as soon as I get them done. I have a few other little things. I'm trying to do small projects. Somebody just texted me. I'm trying to do small projects between large projects. Excuse me, I need to see who that text is. It might be an emergency. Oh, you never know. You never know when it might be an emergency. So, yeah, I can talk to them in a minute. So, anyway, I got to run, guys. Got to answer this text. Talk to you later. Bye.